If you're seeing a OneDrive read-only error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step so you can get back to editing your files normally. This problem usually happens when a file or folder is marked as read-only, or when your account only has view access instead of edit access. The good news is that in most cases you can solve it quickly in Windows without any advanced tools. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and only takes a second. All right, let's get started. First, open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the File Explorer icon on your taskbar, then selecting your OneDrive folder from the left side. Once you find the file or folder that's given you the error, right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, look for the Read-Only option. If it's checked, that could be the reason OneDrive is blocking changes. Uncheck Read-Only, then click Apply, and after that click OK. This step removes the read-only attribute from the file or folder and often solves the issue right away. If the problem is still there, the next thing you need to check is File Permissions. Right-click the same file or folder again and open Properties one more time. This time, go to the Security tab. Here, you'll see the list of users and permissions for the file. Make sure your Windows account has permission to modify the file. If you only have read access, OneDrive may prevent you from editing it. If needed, select your account and check whether the permissions allow you to write or change the file. If you make any adjustments, click Apply, then click OK to save them. It's also a good idea to make sure you're signed into the correct OneDrive account. Sometimes the file belongs to a different account, or it may be stored in a shared folder with limited access. If that's the case, you may need the owner to give you edit permission before you can change anything. Another quick thing to try is pausing and resuming OneDrive sync. Sometimes a temporary sync glitch can make files behave like they're read-only. You can do this by clicking the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray, opening the Settings or Help menu, and pausing syncing for a moment. Then resume it and test the file again. If you're working with a folder, repeat the same process on the folder itself. A folder with the read-only attribute, or limited security permissions, can affect every file inside it. So checking both the folder and the file is a smart move. Once you remove the read-only setting and confirm the correct permissions, try opening the file again and making a small edit. In most cases, that's enough to fix the OneDrive read-only error and restore normal editing access. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting guides. And if you want more Windows and OneDrive fixes, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.